friends, today we will going to learn 10th Science 1 chapter 3rd chemical reactions and equations. In this session we will discuss about combination and decomposition reactions with some examples. Okay, now first let's know about what is mean by combination reaction. Here the reactant A and B, two reactants are given and these combine to form one product known as the AB. So this reaction is called as a combination reaction. For example, magnesium, this metal in solid state, it combines, it reacts with the oxygen from the air. It will form MgO, that means magnesium oxide. Okay, so this magnesium combines with oxygen from air, form magnesium oxide. So this is called combination reaction. So let's define this reaction. When two or more reactants combine in a reaction to form a single product. Okay, to form a single product. So this type of reaction is called as a combination reaction. Now let's take this another example. This is H2 hydrogen gas plus O2 oxygen gas. Okay, here two molecules of hydrogen gas are given and one molecule of oxygen gas is given. So it will form 2H2O, two molecules of water. So this type of reaction is called as a combination reaction. That means hydrogen gas and oxygen gas combines to form a water molecule H2O. Another example, this reaction is also called as a combination or synthesis reaction. In this carbon with oxygen gas, okay, these two reactants combine, they will form a carbon dioxide gas, that means CO2. So this type of reaction is called as a combination reaction. Okay, so here let's know about what is mean by decomposition reaction. Okay, so decomposition reaction means, here in this image you can observe that suppose this is a reactant AB. Okay, this splits. Okay, and it will form two product. That means single reactant is given and it will form two product. Okay, so this is called decomposition reaction. For example, here hydrogen peroxide H2O2. Okay, so it will decompose and form two product named as water molecule H2O and oxygen gas. So this type of reaction is called decomposition reaction. So how to define this? In this chemical reaction, if two or more products, okay, two or more products are form a single reactant. So this type of reaction is called a decomposition reaction. Now another example is calcium carbonate, that means CaCO3. This is a single reactant. It get decomposed and form two products, calcium oxide plus CO2 carbon dioxide gas. So this type of reaction also known as decomposition reaction. Okay, so let's know what is the difference between combination and decomposition reaction. Okay, so here combination reaction, that means one or more reactants combine to form a single product, and decomposition reaction means a single reactant is decomposed to form one or more product. These are exactly opposite. Another difference you can know as elements and compounds. Elements or compounds may be the reactants, and in this decomposition reaction single compound is the reactant. Okay.